to determine if a travel and tour company is legitimate? Here's a guide. First, you should check for the accreditations and certifications. Dapat po kumpleto yan. Para masigurado nating compliant, legal, maayos at protektado tayo in every transactions na gagawin natin. Also, don't forget na i-research ang company. Maghanap ng reviews, feedback, testimonials mula sa totoong travelers. Kung maraming satisfied customers, good sign yan. Legit na travel agency, dapat ma-verify mo ang phone number at dapat merong klarong address yan para mapuntahan mo ang physical office. Siyempre, pag tinawagan mo yan, dapat responsive at professional dapat ang sagot. Dapat po, highly recommended yan ng mga travelers. Dapat meron din niyang excellent customer service. Kung ramdam mong maalaga sila, plus points yan. Siguraduhin mo rin na secure ang payment options at may official receipt. Mas okay kung may bank deposit, credit card o legit payment gateways para safe ang mga transactions mo. And lastly, mas okay kung may personal recommendations mula sa friends and families mo. Kapag may kilala kang satisfied customer, mas kampante kang mag-book. Gamitin ang tips na to para sure na legit at hassle-free ang travel mo. Kung gusto mo ng trusted travel partner, message mo lang ako, Coach Crystal here. Tutulungan kitang mag-book ng dream trip mo.